Kami ulit ng another bus. Kakabukas lang nila. Ito guys, hi guys, good morning.
Roermond 72.
Yes. So guys, pupunta kami ng Roermond. And oras ngayon is 8 AM. Magte-train sana kami. Kaso, walang train ngayon kasi nga yung railway is inaayos. So magbabas kami ngayon. Sana hindi kayo malate. Kasi nga, kailangan namin makapunta doon ng 10 AM. Eh, naabot siya ng 1 hour kapag bus. So, yan yung bus na sasakyan namin, number 72, going to Roermond. Grabe guys, ang lamig. It's minus 2 degree. Mas malamig pa sa loob ng rep.
Yesterday it was minus 5
Yeah.
when I wake up. Then I get out in the jumper.
Bumili lang din si husband ng kape. Pero ako hindi. Bumili lang po ng ng broje. Yung candle. So, yeah. 2 minutes to go and then mag-start na yung bus. Nakapark pa siya dyan, oh. Iba dito, guys. Kapag hindi pa schedule, hindi sila gumagalaw. Preparing na yung bus. Doon yung train station.
Your card, baby.
So, this is the bus.
Your card, baby.
Ngayon, guys, warm na. Medyo warm na kami. Kasi nasa loob na kami ng bus. You see, guys, yung driver is babae.
That's cool.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps
Para siyang snow, guys, no? Pero hindi siya, snow. Ano siya? Sarma?
oh, to try.
It's called Sarma, guys, in Latvian language. Look at the sunset or sunrise.
Leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside you.
Look, guys, that is Gemeente. Here in... What is the city of this? I don't know what's the city of this. Kasi nag-stop kami. Kakaiba yung Gemeente nila. Meron ding statue.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue.
Kakababa lang namin, guys. And then, sasakay kami ulit ng another bus. So, you see, it's a letter, alphabetical. So, sakay kami ulit, guys, ng another bus.
You wanna walk? Or better ride?
Maybe better ride. So, we can be there on time. Later, we can walk. So, this is our bus. Kakarating lang namin, guys. And sobrang early namin. Meron pa kaming 20 minutes. So, papasok muna kami dito sa Lidl. Kasi ang lamig sa labas. Lidl. Look, guys, so, daming mga fruits. Iba't ibang klase ng apple. Ito, bulok na. Medyo mura dito sa Lidl. Ah, ito oh, pomelo. Orange. But look at this. Look at the mango, guys. Oh, is this papaya? Oh, yeah, papaya. Oh, also, buko, guys, oh. Malabo, it's buko.
Coconut?
Yeah. It's a drink.
Yeah. Already, you just need to
Yeah.
remove and put and drink.
Yes.
Nice. Yummy.
And this one is
Granite apple.
granite. Yeah, we will gonna buy this later.
But
Okay.
this is white.
This one.
Yeah, this what?
And also here, guys, kiwi. Tapos itong
These ones are good. Kaki, these ones.
kaki.
Yeah, they are very good.
That's what we buy in market.
Yeah, they are very good. When they getting
Look, guys, so para siyang iba. Sa Bicol, iba. I don't know. Segyo fruits.
this,
I don't know, actually. May love also this one, oh, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. And mos. Ito naman, guys, is mosmola. Madaming shop, guys, dito sa loob ng Lidl. Kumbaga, guys, all-in-one na siya. So, merong Zeeman, Thread Shop, yan, Jumbo, and Lidl. So, isa na lang yung building. Tingnan nyo, guys, yung Christmas tree nila. Simply. It's very simple. Nandito kami sa loob ng Lidl para mag-grocery. Yes. Egg.
5 euros. It's good price
Yeah.
because there is how many? 20.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
So it's about
For
10, 220 per 10. Cheaper or no? How much is that per 10?
So guys, kumuha na kami ng egg, tapos tomato. Kukuha ko ng lemon.
I don't know what is this, but we need to try.
Okay, put it. So yan, guys, lahat ng binili namin. He is now my cashier. This is what you get. Kasi na mas strong siya kaysa sa plastic. Tuna, how much it is?
14.
14?
13.
So guys, umabot siya ng 67. 11:09. So, maghihintay lang kami dito ng bus. Dito kami kanina bumaba. So, doon kami maghihintay. Across. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito. Look at that, guys. So, yan yung sinasabi ko kanina. In Latvia, it called Sarma.
Left or right?
Left. Mali pala, guys, yung yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Hindi doon kami maghihintay. So, doon kami maghihintay ng bus. Naglakad kami ng 9 minutes. Maganda dito, guys, sa village na to.
Go.
It's look Pinoy. Yung nakabike guy, para siyang Pinoy. And this is gas station. Nandito na kami, guys. Ang sasakyan namin is number 66. So, ghintay lang kami ng bus dito. Tingnan yung mga puno. Sobrang empty na nila. Nandito kami banda sa may
What?
Donderberg Roermond. Look guys, my hands. It's cold.
Comes a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep.
Guys, kakabalik lang namin dito sa Benlo. Matagalan kami kasi nga yung nasakyan namin na bus is mali. Imbes 12 minutes lang yung yung distance, naging 1 hour. So bale, yung pagbalik, yung pag-travel namin dito pabalik sa Benlo, umabot siya ng 2 hours. Nilibot namin ng buong countryside. Guys, so nag-order kami ng KFC. And yung KFC din is malayo dito sa city namin. Mga nasa, sa ibang city. Kasi dito sa Benlo, wala pa siyang, meron ditong KFC sa Benlo, pero hindi pa sila totally open. Doon yun sa dinadaanan namin papuntang work. So, let's open it. Alam niyo ba guys, kaninang umaga nag-snow. Kaso guys, hindi ko nakita yung snow kasi nga kapag nasa kalsada, mabilis matunaw yung snow. So kapag meron kayong car, visible yung snow. Pero alam niyo ba, kanina chinek ko din yung weather. Mamayang hapon mag-snow ulit. So, this is what we order. Hindi na kami nag-order ng drinks kasi nga meron na kami ditong water. So, this is what we order. 1 bucket full of chicken. Wow. Namiss ko tuloy yung Jollibee. Ganito yung nila, yung pagka-fry. Kasi lang niyo ba dito sa kapag order ko ng McDo, yung nila, yung chicken is chicken fillet. And then, this one is, overloaded cheese and ham fries. Yun yung, flavor. Look at that. So, ito lang yung food namin. So, let's eat. Let's eat, babe.
Sister, she's
So, let's try it on, guys. Let's eat. Kain tayo. Masarap siya, guys. Actually, guys, spicy. Spicy, no? And McDo, they don't have like this. Binayad namin dito is 25 euro. Kasama na yung almost 3 euro na delivery fee. Ta-da! Let's try this price. Masarap siya, guys. You should try this, babe. It's yummy.
right.
Guys, punta kami ng Brother and Action. Kasi nga, mag-restock kami ng tissue. Wala na kaming tissue sa bahay. And alam nyo ba guys, kanina, sinek namin ulit yung yung bike. Kasi diba, if you remember guys, meron kaming nilagay na doon na foods. Kumbaga pain lang. Kung may kukuha din ba. So, sinek namin kanina, wala na yung plastic. So, meron kumuha ulit. So, it's not really safe to leave some stuff there in the bike. Because someone will gonna took it. Guys, I discover some secret so that your hands will not gonna get freeze. You must have someone holding your hands.
Sana all.
It's effective. It makes your hands warm. Na-smile siya. Kinilig. Tingnan nyo guys, itong store. Ano siya, street food. Kakabukas lang nila. Bacchus. Ang dami pa ding tao. Shoo!
No, it's not yet. The Christmas tree.
Yes, look guys, meron silang mga Christmas tree dito. Meron na silang mga display.
Not Christmas tree. It's only only the part of Christmas tree. Not yet. But that's how it is, in the house, the smell. Can you smell?
It's real, right?
Yeah. Smell it.
So guys, totoong siya.
Smell it. And when it's inside in the house, and when you put the candles,
Yeah.
the smell from the Christmas tree comes really nice.
But this one also, it's real, right?
Yeah.
At ito guys, totoong Christmas tree. Malit nga lang.
Like this.
6 pieces?
Yes.
Okay. Kumuha siya ng anim. Guys, look. Bibili
Guess
si
what?
husband ng ganito.
Guess what?
What is that? Wait, yes? What's that? Merry Christmas! It will not gonna my eyes. Happy New Year!
A little surprise, baby.